Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of turning on Autoclear for your Instagram search history that's older than 7 days in the account center. If you want to automatically clear your search history after a specific period, this full guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your device. Look for the colorful camera icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're inside Instagram, locate the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. From the options displayed, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a submenu with various settings and privacy options. Step 4. Tap on Account Center. This is where you can manage your connected accounts and settings. Step 5. Inside Account Center, tap on Your Information and Permissions. This section allows you to control your personal information and privacy settings. Step 6. Next, tap on Search History. This is where you can access and manage your Instagram search history. Step 7. Tap on Autoclear Search History. This option allows you to automatically clear your search history. Step 8. Select 7 days to set the Autoclear duration to 7 days. This means that your search history older than 7 days will be automatically cleared. Please note that this rule applies to all the accounts connected to the account center through this account. If you want to keep the results on other accounts and platforms, make sure to remove them from your account center. By following these steps, you can easily turn on Autoclear for your Instagram search history that's older than 7 days, ensuring that your search history is regularly cleared for enhanced privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.